A major component of your DWV system is a trap. The purpose of a trap is to prevent the sewer gas from flowing back into the house. And by the way, this is disgusting, but they also prevent rodents from entering the house via the sewer pipes. And the way that they do that is to create a water seal. All right. And it is literally water sitting within a U shape or a P shaped pipe. All right, so as you flush, the waste goes out, um, but always some water will sit in this pipe and create the seal. And so we see a P-trap right here when we were just looking at that example of the bath drain. Plumbing codes require every fixture to have a trap. So here's one in a sink right there, and they generally occur in the drain pipe just below the fixture. But wait a sec, what about toilets? It turns out that toilets have the trap incorporated into the fixture. All right, so you don't need to provide an additional trap in the piping outside of the toilet fixture. Another major component of your drainage, waste, and vent system are the vents. Vents are there to equalize the pressure, air pressure we're talking about, and prevent the trap from being siphoned and all the water being pulled out of it. It turns out traps only work if they stay full of water. All right. And if you had a fully sealed system, the water flowing down the pipe would suck the water out of the trap and it would leave it dry, full of air. So we provide vents, equalize the pressure, the traps stay full. The other and second, excuse me, the other the other purpose of traps is to allow the sewer gas, any that collects, to escape directly to the outdoors. So taking a look at this diagram, where are the vents? They're everything that's kind of colored gray here. So if we're following this bath drain right here, the water comes and drains. You're going to have some water sitting in the P-trap and go down that way. But this piece right here is the vent system, and it's going to connect to the main soil stack vent right here. The vent pipes are typically installed in the walls behind the fixtures, and then they connect to that main soil stack and extend up to vent through the roof. In this diagram, here they are in dashed lines, and then they connect to that soil stack and vent up through the roof. You've probably seen these and didn't necessarily know what they are. They look roughly like this on your residential roof. Let's take a look at a couple more examples. On the left, we have, here's a lavatory and it's going to drain out through here. It's got a P-trap below and then connects through drain pipes to the main stack. That's going to go vertically through the house until it hits the horizontal drain pipe and goes out to the main sewer system. But the vent pipes, take a look, are colored in yellow. They look just the same. I mean, there's not, just looking at the pipe in the wall, you can't necessarily tell whether it's a vent pipe or a drain pipe. But this one is a vent pipe. All right, it's coming up. It's going to connect to the stack and then vent through the roof. All right. How is this toilet vented? It is vented directly to the soil stack and then up through the roof. It doesn't matter that there are other fixtures connected higher to it. It will vent just fine right through that same pipe. The last piece of this drainage, waste, and vent system that I want to talk about today are cleanouts. Cleanouts are an access port so that you can open it up and clear away any debris that has gotten caught in your pipes and might cause stoppage in your drain lines. So here's an example of one. Your main drain is here. This piece right there is a cleanout. And then they're illustrating that maybe there's some blockage down in the line. We open up the cleanout and you can send your snake or your auger right in there and clean that out. and open up your lines. Cleanouts are going to be located in your waste system in several locations. There's definitely going to be one at the base of your vertical stack, and you also need one at all places where your waste pipes change direction in a 90-degree fashion. They look like this, all right? They're fairly large, and they've got that big square knob on them. That's for the wrench to be able to open these suckers up. Cleanouts are located all sorts of areas in the home. So I just wanted to show you so you would recognize them when you see them. Here is one under a sink right here. Or you could have one in under your sink and connected to that line. Cleanouts can be located in the bathroom. I've seen them, here's one on the floor, but I've seen them on the wall also. Here's one located in a basement area. This is right here is the cleanout. Right? And the main cleanout for, or excuse me, the cleanout for your main house drain line can be located outdoors somewhere where that drain line is on its way to the street, right? So that would look like something like this. Also, I've seen them. I used to live in a house where the clean out for the sink area was located outside on the exterior of the wall. So here's a picture of something like that, and keep an eye out for these items. All right, so in this video, we talked about how to get the waste and wastewater out of your house through the drainage, waste, and vent system. Thanks, everyone.